Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to enable the dark theme right here on Deriv. And we can do this on two ways. We can do this for the MetaTrader 5 and the Deriv web trader. So first of all, we go to trade and do this for the MetaTrader 5. So we go right here to the web trader. And if you want to change the theme to the dark theme, we go to the three lines and then select right here dark theme. There we go. That is the first way for the MetaTrader 5. If we go back and we go right here to our multipliers where we will get the Deriv web trader and we select right here trade. It's so simple to change to the dark theme because right now when you are here, you will see right here theme. And if you click here on this theme, you see that it's standing right now on dark. And now we are having a nice dark theme right here in the Deriv trader. So this is how you can switch to the dark theme right here in Deriv. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.